Struggle with complex electrical testing? Meet the CM300 series. Automatically identifies and switches between voltage and resistance. One button to genius tricks. Clamp onto wires directly for instant readings. Readings update in real time. Non-contact voltage detection warns you. Buzzer plus flash for live wires. Stay safe, zero guesswork. Plus, continuity, diode, capacitance, frequency. Temperature all-in-one for electricians, engineers, or DIY heroes. Ready to roll, includes probes, pouch, battery, everything you need. Upgrade your toolkit, tap the link now.